Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So far, the last 2 weeks, the markets have been highly volatile. Nifty started somewhere around 11,500. It went up to 11,800. Then from 11,800, it crashed all the way to 11,200. Then from 11,200, it has recovered, now trading around 11,450. Mainly, Reliance has done a good job. Amazon investing $20 billion in Reliance Retail. That news triggered a rally in Reliance Industries. And the Reliance Industries has shot up nearly 10% in last 1 week. That Reliance alone contributed more than 100 points for Nifty rally from 11,200 to 11,450. IT stocks also supported, but the Bank Nifty looking very weak, and all the banking stocks are coming under severe selling pressure. In fact, banks like State Bank of India, Axis Bank all fell from 15% to 20% in this month alone. In fact, from the high point, the Bank Nifty has already fallen nearly 15%. And the whole world is talking about Nasdaq falling more than 10%, but Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 15%. And there seems to be no recovery so far. So, last week, the interest on interest case has been postponed by 2 weeks. But even after that news also, the Bank Nifty has not recovered. Friday, last 1 hour, there was some profit booking by the short sellers due to the weekend factor. But the talk of the town during the weekend is the change in the rule for multi-cap funds by SEBI. I will come out with a separate video on this. But right now, going forward, people are expecting some weakness in large cap stocks and some bullishness in mid cap and small cap stocks. So overall, the market is not going anywhere. It is going up, then down, again up. So I feel that next week also the markets are likely to consolidate further between 11,200 and 11,800. So far in this month, the low was 11,200, the high was 11,800. And because of good news, Reliance has shot up. I don't think 11,200 will be broken once again in this month. And at the same time, crossing 11,800 also seems to be a difficult task, and because the Bank Nifty has been looking very weak. But who knows? All of a sudden, one particular day, the Bank Nifty may find a huge short covering, and Bank Nifty may go up 800 to 1000 points. If that happens, I will not be surprised, though such probability is very low. When it comes to economic data, not much. Index of industrial production data came on Friday, which was bad if you see as a standalone figure, but on a sequential basis, it has improved. The coming week, there will be consumer price inflation data and wholesale price inflation data, and I think they both will become non-event for the market. Though people are talking about this multi-cap rejig, expecting large caps to fall, this news came on Friday evening, but on Friday night, there was no reflection in ADRs. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Infosys, all three key stocks closed in green. But at the same time, SGX Nifty closed about 60 points lower. So Monday, how we are going to open, it all depends upon the global cues, but there will be some kind of negative bias going forward in our market. So to conclude, we can expect Nifty to trade between 11,200 and 11,800, and we may trade with some negative bias. And thank you for watching.